What's up, YouTube? This is I'll Think About It. This is another session with cooking with the two big bros. Tonight for dinner, I think I'll be cooking chicken with vegetables. Alright, let's do it. Dicing up onions and some garlic. I got some chicken thighs that I gotta cut up into bite-sized pieces for my stir fry. And then we can start cooking. Okay, so I got the chicken cut up into cubes. I got the onion dice, garlic minced. I got my bag of vegetables in my pot. I'm gonna saute the onions with some butter before I throw in the chicken. Oh, I forgot to say, I took the skin off the chicken because I don't like the kind soft rubbery skin in my stir fry. So I took that off before I deboned it and cut it up. Okay. Throw in the onions and set those down until transparent. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but the onions is transparent almost. So I'm gonna add in the chicken. So I added the chicken in. You want your heat to be as hot as possible so that it can burn off most of the moisture, so it doesn't turn to water. Once it turns to water, you're gonna be pretty much boiling your meat instead of frying it. A wok would work really good. I don't have one here, so I'm using a pot. But yeah, you want to cook your chicken at the highest heat so it can burn off the moisture, so it doesn't turn to water. Okay, so the chicken is kind of is cooking. It's getting a little brown. Now I'm gonna add in. Oh, I had to dump out some of the liquid because it was getting too much. So now I'm gonna add in some garlic, salt, and pepper. Whoa. I'm gonna cook it a little bit more before I add the vegetables. Because I'm using frozen vegetables, pretty much once I add the vegetables in, I'm gonna stop the cooking process because I don't want to overcook the vegetables. If you had fresh vegetables, that would be something different. But frozen vegetables seems to cook a lot more faster. I don't even know if they're par cooked or or what. But yeah, I'm gonna cook it down and be right back. Okay, as you can see, I added the vegetables. They are rock hard frozen. I brought it out earlier, but I guess they stayed frozen. Do remember that just like fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables will shrink. So this might look a lot, but it's gonna shrink down. I'll give it a couple mixes and turn off the heat so it doesn't overcook, and do a final taste test. Okay, there it is. Chicken with vegetables. Fast, quick, and easy. Thank you for hanging out in the kitchen with me. I'll think about it. And this has been Cooking with the Two Big Bros. If you like this video, press that like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. What else you want to see me cook? Till next time. Shoots.